Right, so my face probably tells you it's earlier than it actually is. It's 8:30, Saturday the 4th of October, I want to say. Yeah, it is Saturday the 4th of October. We are now leaving Carcassonne. Carcassonne, I don't know about Sawney. I got a sore back after the amount of walking we did yesterday. We went round if you ever get to go to Carcassonne, there's a kind of, it's free obviously to get in because it's just basically a town, but surrounded by walls. If you ever get a chance to go on the ramparts and the chateau, we paid an extra €13 each, and you get to go. I mean, the ramparts are 1.2 kilometres long, so it took us about 2 hours to do it, and it's a lot of walking, so that's really worth doing. Now, this site, which is Camping della City, it's on the Caravan Club website, I believe, so you can book there. The location is absolutely perfect. It's 6 minutes drive into Carcassonne. If you've got a motorhome, you could, I reckon, walk it in about half an hour maybe. There seems to be a walk along the river. Now, this site, it's, like I say, great location, toilet blocks. There are a couple of toilet blocks and maybe one chemical emptying point for your toilet, which isn't great. It's the most unhygienic thing I've ever seen, but staff are great and the site's good. However, if you want to visit Carcassonne, this is the best site. There was another one that we stayed at, something like it's called Oliver's or something like that, because this one was booked. Last time we were here, we booked that. Now that's in my opinion, a better site. It's a little bit further out, so if you've got a motorhome, you probably want to stay on this one. If you do have a car or any mode of motorised transport, then look at Oliver's. I mean, I can't. I'll put a link in if I can find the name of it. I certainly did a little bit of a review of it last time we were here 5 or 6 years ago. So today we are leaving Carcassonne and going to a yellow village, a Bordeaux-Lac, which is about 3.5 hours, the sat-nav's telling me. Probably means about 4 hours in the caravan, doesn't it? Or maybe if a little break, about 4.5 hours. So steady drive up. We're only overnighting on that site. Then we're pushing on to, I think, Limoges, or Limoges, however you say it. Just reminded me, I've just seen someone walk past with toilet paper in their hand. The toilets, typical French, they don't have toilet seats or toilet paper. So if you need to use them, I mean, you're not going to have your own toilet seat, I'm assuming, but certainly take your own toilet paper, which caught me out, almost. Right, it's the, what do you say, it was the 5th of October, isn't it? Yeah. Sunday the 5th of October. We've just moved up from Yellow Village, Bordeaux-Lac. What a pile of shit that site is, honestly. I mean, if you've ever stayed there and you had a good time, then good for you. But I mean, very small pitches. It didn't help that it was raining and very near Bordeaux. About 5 minutes drive into the city centre. So I mean, that's great if you want to go to Bordeaux. We didn't, but we wanted to stop on our way because it was too far to get to where we are today, which is on a nice little municipal site. So we're only just for one night. We're on our way north. Like I say, we've just been up from Bordeaux. So we was at, a few days ago, we was at on the Med Coast, then we went to Carcassonne, Bordeaux, and then here. So we're here for a specific reason. It's on Mandy's bucket list of places to visit. A bit more when we get there. We're just gonna have something to eat and then just pop off to this village that we want to visit. So just parts at the village that we're visiting. €4 for 5 hours. Probably won't need 5 hours. Right, so we've just been to the visitor centre, and it's free to get in the village, have a look around. There are guidebooks, which we purchased one. We stopped at this place, and it's a place I'll never forget. It's a small village in central France called Oradour-Sur-Glane. At first glance, it looks like a ghost town, or maybe a film set from a Second World War film. Streets, buildings, even cars still in place. But time has completely stood still here.
On the 10th of June 1944, just days after the D-Day landings, German SS troops surrounded this quiet village. And before the end of that day, more than 600 men, women and children had been killed. The village was then set on fire. What you see today hasn't been rebuilt. After the war, Charles de Gaulle ordered that Oradour should remain exactly as it was, a memorial, a reminder of what's happened here. Walking through the empty streets, you can see rusted cars, burnt out buildings, a church without its roof, and somehow you still feel the presence of the people that once lived here. It's a powerful, emotional place, quiet but full of echoes. You don't leave Oradour-Sur-Glane the same person as you arrived. It's one of those moments that makes you stop, think and remember how fragile peace really is.
It's good that they've got all the labels on the houses to tell you what the purpose was, whether it's a hairdressers or a cafe or whatever. So it makes it all a bit real, a bit more real, should I say? Wheelwright. So he obviously made wheels. The machinery's still there. It's a bit like a World War II film set, doesn't it? Fabrics. Yeah, old sewing machine, yeah, fireplace might be down there. Bed frame. Yeah, it looks like some ancient ruin, doesn't it? But really it was done in 2 hours by an army. So that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. A bit of a different one to normal vlogs, but I mean this place it's a sombre place, and I think, you know, when I walk around cracking jokes and things like that really. We did just visit the cemetery, which is full of commemorative graves and tombs for those who lost their lives, the 643 people who, as a lot of the gravestones say, massacred by the barbaric Nazis. Well, I think that probably does sum it up better than probably I could. So that's it from here. Next time, probably a bit more light-hearted. We're just going to have one more quick look round and get back to the caravan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.